Santa Claus here from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with BandLab. In this video, I'm going to share with you how easy it is to create a remix of your favourite Christmas carol or song, starting from this. And ending up with this. Xmas! Let's get started! Click on Create. Click Import Audio MIDI. Locate the MIDI file you downloaded and double-click on it. Click play and have a listen. As you can see and hear, the treble part and the bass part are played by a piano. The beauty of MIDI files is that it is very easy to change the instruments, and this is where the fun starts. To change an instrument, click on the piano icon. Here you can see the instrument is a piano and the subcategory is grand piano. Click on piano and you will see all the available sounds. I'm going to choose synth keys and then airy keys. To listen to the change, rewind and play. There are, of course, hundreds of other choices, but for demonstration purposes, this will do fine. To change the bass part, click on the piano icon next to the word bass. Go down to Instrument and click on Piano. Now click on Bass. Click on 62p bass to see the options. I like the double bass section, but you must take the time to find the one you like. Even though it's named as a bass part, it doesn't mean you have to choose a bass. Get experimenting with all sorts of sounds. Rewind and have a listen. Don't forget to save your work every 5 minutes or so. Now let's get really creative. What if we added a drum beat? Go down to Loops, All Loops, MIDI, click on one. If you like it, drag it in. Let's add another one. How about some cymbals? some weird vocal samples. And another. It feels a bit slow. Let's change the tempo. If you want to change the key, that's easy too. Let's do some splicing. Change the bass so that it comes in at bar 3. Change the drums to come in at bar 5. Cut out some of the vocals. Add a big crash at the end. Record your own voice. Merry Christmas! Add some effects. Let's have a listen. Christmas! Remember, there are hundreds of instruments and thousands of audio samples and MIDI files in BandLab. So download the MIDI file of your favourite Christmas song and learn the art of songwriting by experimenting and having fun. If you want to become a BandLab master, check out my complete songwriting course. And don't forget, all subscribers to my YouTube channel get 50% off with the code below in the description. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell to ensure you get notified when I post the next video. Until the next time, take care and keep making music. Yo ho ho! Merry Christmas! Hello! Hello! All subscribers to my YouTube. Yo ho ho! Yo ho ho ho!